This video will show you how to send a message using the secure messaging feature on the app. I'm using the mobile app for this video. After logging into your account, select the More tab. Then select Secure Messaging. Click the New Message tab at the top of the screen. Enter a subject that best describes what your message is about into the subject line. Then enter your question into the description box. If you need to attach a file, you may do so by clicking the Attach a File button. Enter your name, then click Submit. Once submitted, you will be able to see your ticket number and details. For more online solutions, visit our website at oregonstatecu.com/videos.